Mahaganaadhipataye Namaha. Good evening. Good evening to all. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Hello? Hello? Okay, am I audible? Aruna? మంచినీళ్ళు కావాలమ్మా. Morning we are discussing the question paper. We have seen up to 21st questions, up to 21. Now I am starting 22nd question onwards. 22nd question. First we will go ahead with the Hope paper, means previous Hope 2 paper. In Hope 2 paper we have discussed 21 questions in the morning. Now 22nd question. 7 sin square a plus 3 cos square a is equal to 4, and you have to prove that tan a is 1 by root 3. We have to prove that tan a is 1 by root 3. So the problem is given in sin a cos a and the answer is in tan a. That means we need to convert the equation in terms of tan a. That is the idea behind this question. Malli okkasari, problem is given in sin square a cos square a, but answer is in tan a. Tan a is equal to 1 by root 3. We have to prove that. That means we need to convert this equation in terms of tan a. That is the idea behind this question. So in order to convert into tan a, we have to divide throughout the equation with cos square a. Cos square a, cos square a, cos square a. Then this becomes 7 tan square a plus 3, okay, 4 secant square a. Is that right? 7 tan square a plus 3 is equal to 4 secant square a. And we know secant square a is nothing but 1 plus tan square a. Okay na? Now simplify. 7 tan square a plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 tan square a. So like terms on the same side. 7 tan square a minus 4 tan square a is equal to 4 minus 3. 3 tan square a is 1. Tan square a is 1 by 3. Then tan a is 1 by root 3. The problem is done. Is that understood, children? Is that understood? ఇక్కడ ఐడియా ఏంటి రావాలి? What is the key point in this question, children? What is the key point in this question? Anyone? Dividing with cos square A. Very good. Just getting an idea that converting the given equation in terms of tan A is very, very important. Yeah, good. Next question. Vaishnavi is not there. Vaishnavi, Sohini, Soheli, they did not join. Okay, leave it. Right. Next, 23rd question. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. Using similarity criteria of two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. First, draw a trapezium. Draw a trapezium. AB, CD, both are parallel to each other, and the diagonals intersect each other at O. And what is required to prove? OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Okay. Now, OA, OC, OB, OD, that means we need to prove these two triangles are similar. Triangle AOB, COD. Triangle AOB, COD. Are they similar? Yes, they are similar. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate interior angles. So by AA similarity, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Now write the ratios. AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. No need to write the third ratio. Now observe AO by CO. AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Problem over. Very simple. Okay na? Just we need to prove triangle AOB and COD are similar to each other. ఎవరైనా రాంగ్ చేసినుంటే, if anyone is there who did wrong this problem, at least they can understand it now. Now next question. Area of quadrant of a circle. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 44. Means circumference of circle is given 44 and we need to find out area of quadrant. Can anyone say what is quadrant? What is quadrant, children? Quadrant. Quadrant is nothing but 1/4 of area of circle. Quadrant is nothing but 1/4 the area of circle, or sector with angle 90 degrees. Sector with sector angle 90 degrees. So 2 pi r is given to us. 2 pi r is 44. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 44. Then r will be 44 into 7 by 44. Radius is 7. Radius is 7. So now, area of quadrant 1/4 of pi r square. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Radius we got 7, na? So 7, 7 get cancelled. 2 11s are 2 2s are. So 77 by 7. 77 by 2 centimeter square is area of quadrant of the circle. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్వాడ్రంట్ అంటే ఏమిటి? A sector with sector angle 90 degrees. A sector with sector angle 90 degrees is known as quadrant of a circle. Okay. Next question. A chord of a circle of radius 30 centimeters makes an angle 60 degrees at the center of the circle. Find the area of segment. Can anyone say what is area of segment formula? Area of segment formula. Anyone? Area of segment. Anyone? Area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector we know theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle half r square sin theta. Theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta. Here theta is given 60 degrees. So 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is given 30 centimeters. 30 into 30 minus half 30 into 30 into sin 60. Theta given 60 degrees na. Now simplify, we can take half into 30 into 30 common. We can take half 30 into 30 common. Okay. What is remaining? 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 minus root 3 by 2. So 450 this one. 450 into 22 by 21 minus root 3 by 2. You can take LCM. LCM is 42. 44 minus 21 root 3. That's all. You can leave up to here. After this you can leave. ఇంకా దాని తర్వాత నువ్వు LCM తర్వాత no need to do anything. After LCM no need to do anything. Just leave like that. Okay na? Next question. Next question. 25th question. There is a circle. This angle is 120 degrees. Then we know this will be divided into 60, 60. This is 90, this is 90. And what is asking? We have to prove that OR is equal to PR plus RQ. OR is equal to PR plus RQ. This is required to prove. Okay na? O P R Q. Now proof. See, observe here. These two tangents are equal na? RP is equal to RQ. Tangents drawn from external point of circle are equal. And OR is the bisector of angle between the tangents as well as angle between the radii. So this 120 degrees will be divided into two equal angles, 60, 60. Okay na? Now we need to express in terms of PR and RQ. Means OR is equal to PR plus RQ. That is what we have to prove. So with respect to this angle, what is the relation between PR and OR? Can anyone say? With respect to this angle, what is the relation between PR and OR? PR, OR, what is the relation? Yeah, cos 60 degrees. Side adjacent to angle PR, angle 60 degrees by hypotenuse. With respect to angle, this angle, this is the side adjacent to 60 degrees and this is the hypotenuse. Adjacent to angle 60 degrees by hypotenuse is nothing but cos 60. And we know cos 60 is 1 by 2. So do cross multiply, OR is equal to 2 PR. OR is equal to 2 PR. Then OR is equal to PR plus PR. And both are equal na? PR is equal to QR. So I can write PR plus QR. Hence the problem done. Okay. Next question. So section B done. Section B done. Now section C. Okay. Next one. Prove that length of tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. I think you know the proof. I am not going to that. You have to learn that proof. And 27th question, prove that root 7 is an irrational number. That is also, you know it very well, I explained it. Root 7 irrational number. So I am not going to that one also. Now see the 28th question. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha is given 1, alpha 1, beta minus 3. We need to find out the polynomial, and after finding the polynomial we need to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients, children. After finding the polynomial we need to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. When zeros are given, how to find out polynomial? Can anyone say? How to find out the polynomial when its zeros are given? Cos 16. ఇంకా వాడు అక్కడే ఉన్నాడు. How to find the polynomial? Yes. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. How many people are joined today? 6 people are. What about the remaining? Why they didn't join? Is there any problem for joining? Is there any restrictions? No, na? Only 7 people joined. Only 7 out of 62. X square minus 1 plus minus 3 times of x plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2x minus 3. So we got the polynomial. One plus minus 3 is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 is plus 2x. X square plus 2x minus 3. Now, verifying the relation between zeros and coefficients. Zeros, coefficients. Alpha 1, beta minus 3. A1, B2, C minus 3. Now alpha plus beta is minus 2. Alpha beta is minus 3. Now minus b by a, minus 2 by 1 which is minus 2. C by a, minus 3 by 1 which is minus 3. So clearly we can observe that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus 2, and alpha beta is equal to c by a, which is equal to negative 3. Okay na? Next question. Question number 29. Question number 29. Prove that 1 plus tan A plus cot A into sin A minus cos A is equal to secant A by cosecant square A minus cosecant A by secant square A. So how many of you done this problem in the exam? How many of you did this problem in the exam? Tanmay, okay, only one. Just step 1, multiply trinomial with binomial. Multiply the trinomial with binomial. How? 1 plus sin A minus cos A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A plus cot A into sin A minus cos A. Okay. Now open the brackets. Sin A minus cos A plus tan A into sin A sin square A by cos A. Is that understood? Tan A into sin A is nothing but sin square A by cos A. Elaga? Tan A ante sin A by cos A into sin A. So sin square A by cos A. Okay na? Next, minus sin A by cos A into cos A. Cancel, minus sin A వస్తుంది. అంతేనా? tan A into cos A అంటే minus sin A. Next, cot A into sin A cos A వస్తుంది. Minus cos square A by sin A. Cot A into sin A, cot A means cos A by sin A into sin A. ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి cos A. Cot A into cos A minus cos square A by sin A. Now simplify this. Plus sin A minus plus minus cos A cancel. What is remaining? Sin square A by cos A minus cos square A by sin A. This is what we got at the end. But see the answer. Secant A by cosecant square A minus cosecant A by secant square A. So that means we have to convert to 1 by cosecant square A by 1 by secant A minus 1 by secant square A by 1 by cosecant A. Just converting. Okay na? Now this will go, that it becomes secant A by cosecant square A minus cosecant A by secant square A. Okay na? అర్థమైందా? కావాలంటే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. Next question. Next question also easy only. 1 or 2 times I explained that one in the class. So what is that question? Tan A plus sin A is M. Tan A plus sin A is M. Tan A minus sin A is N. And we have to prove that M square minus N square is equal to 4 root Mn. Okay, na? Now, can anyone say what is M plus N, children? What is M plus N? Anyone? What is M plus N? M plus N. M is given tan A plus sin A and N is given tan A minus sin A. What is M plus N? No one responding. Tan A plus sin A plus tan A minus sin A. Minus sin A plus sin A can cancel. We will get 2 tan A. So M plus N is 2 tan A. Now, can anyone say what is M minus N? M minus N. M minus N. Just all that is what that's what I am asking. What is M minus N value? What is okay, Vanshika? No one responding? Vaishnavi, you are not there? Sohini, Soheli, Tanmay. So you people are also like that. Tan A plus sin A minus tan A minus sin A. Tan A plus sin A minus tan A plus sin A. Minus tan A plus tan A cancel 2 sin A. So M plus N is 2 tan A, M minus N is 2 sin A. Then what is M plus N into M minus N? 2 tan A into 2 sin A. So this becomes M square minus N square, which is 4 tan A sin A. 4 tan A sin A. Okay. Now, Mn means multiplication. Mn. Tan A plus sin A into tan A minus sin A, which is tan square A minus sin square A. Tan square A, you can write sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Take sin square A common, 1 by cos square A minus 1. So sin square A into 1 by cos square A is secant square A. Secant square A minus 1. What is secant square A minus 1, children? Mn is equal to Sine square A into secant square A minus 1 is tan square A. Then root mn is root over sine square A tan square A. Sine A tan A. So root mn is sine A tan A. Then 4 root mn is 4 sine A tan A. Now observe these two values. M square minus n square is also 4 tan A sin A. 4 root mn also 4 tan A sin A. M square minus n square is 4 tan A sin A. 4 root mn also 4 tan A sin A. Okay na? Who are there in the class? Write your names. I want to see that. Aniket is there. Yuvraj. పార్దు సనత్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చారా అందరూ? Lakshmi Priya, you are not responding, you are not coming properly. Means out of 62, up to 20 minutes only 8 people are joined and they are left in the middle. Okay, you can leave now. Sadil, you also not there na till now. Okay, you can leave, you can leave. I think you are not interested in this class. Then why I have to shout? I thought to complete this question paper today. In D section, some important questions are there. Okay, bye. You can leave now.